So welcome to my how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the extra rinse function on a Zanussi Lindo 300 series washing machine like this. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, we're going to select the cotton cycle, and then what we're going to do is hold the spin button and the option buttons together for 3 seconds. Once activated, this little LED here will light to tell us that the extra rinse function is now activated. It will do 2 more rinses on cottons and an extra rinse on synthetics and delicates. And an extra rinse on duvets as well. So to turn it off, you can press and select spin and option buttons together for 3 seconds. And now the LED has gone back out again. And that's it, that's a simple how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the extra rinse function on a Zanussi Lindo 300 series washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your washing machine at home. And I'll see you again later.